Hi guys and girls of YouTube. Got a package today from Brita. This is JD Cap 26. Just do the chair, the rips, tips, and repairs. Yeah, I've said that too many times, huh? Here's the package. We're going to try one of these to solve the leak on the faucet. And switch them out. I'll show you that next. So you have to go in here, and I'm going to have to probably get some pliers to do this because I put it on there pretty snug. So hang on. Some pliers here. Let's see if we can loosen this up without damaging it too much. Put that down so we don't snap it. I believe it goes this way. Yep. Still need the pliers. Still need the pliers. Put it on there pretty darn tight. So here we go. Take that off. Hopefully one of these adapters will fit. So we put that adapter on there. It screws right into this, and we're going to have to turn it on there. Okay, so we put the adapter on there. It was a male to male for this, and put the water on. You see we got no leaks whatsoever. There's the other side. Thanks, Brita. You guys rock. So if you have any problems with your Brita faucet, just write them, call them, and they'll respond. They're good people. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe and ring the little bell.